Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. Hopefully everything is going good. Alhamdulillah. We are learning from this channel the pronunciation of Arabic alphabet and the how you can read Quran with proper rules and regulation. I means how you can read Quran with proper tajweed. We have done the lesson number 1 of this basic Nurani Qaida. This basic Nurani Qaida is very important for learning of Quran. If you will be complete this basic Nurani Qaida course, after that you will be able to read Quran quite very easily. In the first lesson we have done the how you can pronounce the all of the Arabic alphabet with its correct exit point and how they identify the shape of the different Arabic alphabet. So now today Inshallahul Aziz I will tell you about the distinguish between the similar shapes and similar sounds of Arabic alphabet. So we will start the first Arabic alphabet. The first Arabic alphabet is Alif. This Alif sound match with Ain. So be careful when you will be pronounce these two alphabet sound. You should keep remember the exit point of these two Arabic alphabet. So what is the exit point of Alif and Ain? You can watch my previous videos. I did explain in detail what is the correct exit point of each Arabic alphabet. Okay. In here I am just telling you what is the distinguish between the similar sounds of alphabet. So you should be careful about the Alif and Ain. Like for example I read the A'u. This Alif sound and A'u, it's Ain sound, but mostly our student reading these two Arabic letter A'u, similar sounds A'u, A'u, but A and A'u, second sound is Ain. And what is the next Arabic alphabet sound match with the other Arabic alphabet? This Ta and Ta. These two Arabic alphabet sound match, but Ta sound is light. That one, this Ta sound is light and Ta sound is heavy. So be careful about these two alphabet. Don't match the sounds. Ta sound is light and Ta sound is heavy. And what is the next Arabic alphabet? The next alphabet is Sa, Sin, Sad. These three Arabic alphabet sound match with other Arabic alphabet. Sa sound is soft, Sin strong and Sad heavy. So be careful about these three Arabic alphabet. Don't match the sounds. Okay, if you will be match the sounds of Arabic alphabets, the meanings gonna change. Okay. So what is the correct exit point of these three Arabic alphabet? You can go my previous videos and you can learn about the correct exit point of each Arabic alphabet. Yes. Now come to next Arabic alphabet. The Ha sound match with the Ha. Yes, that is the very important about the you should know about the exit point of Ha and Ha, because mostly students read similar sound like Rahim, it's Rahim. Mostly students read Rahim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, him. They did mistakes. That is not him, it's him. It sound with Ha, he, Ha. Okay, so be careful. Don't match the Ha sound with Ha. The next alphabet sound match like Zal, Za and Wa. There are three different sounds. Zal sound is soft, Za sound is strong, and Wa soft and heavy. So be careful about these three Arabic alphabet sounds. Don't match these three Arabic alphabet sounds. The next alphabet sound is Sin and Sad. Okay, Sin sound is light, Sin sound is light and Sod sound is heavy. So be careful, don't do match these two Arabic alphabet sounds. Tha, I already told you this sound match with the ta. Be careful about the ta and tha. Ain, I already told you ain sound match with alif, alif and a. Ain is a, ain. And this one is qaf. Qaf sound is heavy and kaf. Next one, this kaf sound is light. So be careful, don't do match these two Arabic alphabet sounds. Yes, the other Arabic alphabet sound is didn't match with the any other Arabic alphabet. Like for example, ba sound is didn't match with other Arabic alphabet. Jim, like dal, like ra, and the sheen, like tod, like ghain, and the fa, and lam, mim, noon, waw, hamza, ya. This Arabic alphabet sound is totally different. This alphabet sound is didn't match with the other Arabic alphabet. Okay, so there is very less Arabic alphabet, so you need to do attention. Like this alphabet, that is only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 Arabic alphabet. Just you need to attention on the 15 Arabic alphabet. This 15 Arabic alphabet sound match with the other Arabic alphabet, but this other Arabic alphabet like 17 Arabic alphabet, their sound is didn't match with the other Arabic alphabet. So you should do distinguish between the similar sounds of alphabet. Similar sounds, distinguish between the similar sounds of the Arabic alphabet. So it's very important. If you will be learn here, so you will be pronounce very easily in Quran. So you should do practice. You should do change the position of the dots on same shape, and you should do practice. You should do watch these videos again and again, and you should do identify the correct shape, and you should do pronounce the each alphabet correct sound. So hopefully inshallah you will be learn Quran very easily on this channel. So you should do share my videos, and you should do subscribe my channel. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.